You might have like a fire because it's gonna get like crazy. You want to put this on here. Daddy's already hungry. He already came down and checked if... Oh my goodness. Put it there. Enough that. Let me turn off my oven. Guys, this is how the same way to make pahi. That someone make it like a steak. Like me. How I can cook it the way like a steak. That's all. Now the food is ready for my beloved to eat. Okay? Lagi niyong alagaan niya ang asawa niyo, guys. No matter what. That's the secret of being married. And be happy. Okay? I used to cook ever since I remember. I always cook. Sabi nga, there's a saying, my kid said, why would I go somewhere to eat when my mom can cook good food? So now guys, this is... At syempre, kailangan i-busy mo lahat. Para walang contamination. Ano sa akin, guys? You guys gonna gain weight around me. Because I cook a lot. I cook a lot, and sometimes my husband wants to give me a break. He doesn't want me to cook all the time. Because we get a lot of leftover when I cook. Somehow my food grows when I cook. It grows so fast. I'm cooking for an army. Ayan. Tapos na tayo nagluto. Naglinis na ako konti. Ayan guys, malinis na tayo. Perfect na ang ating steak. This is our, it's like, see, I told you guys it's like fajitas. This is how you make fajitas, guys, to make it nice and soft, okay? And look at that. Meat is so tender. Sarap! The sauce. Wow, 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 wow. Now, how to set up my husband's plate. How you set up your husband's plate, guys? You want to learn it to make it look nice, like a restaurant? You make an effort, guys, when you take care of your husband, okay? You put this right here. That's rice. Put it in the side. Ta-da! Perfect. Make it nice though. Okay? And then you put your meat here in the side. Look at that meat. Ooh, delicious. Ang bango pa niya. Yan. You put it in here. I didn't make corn. I normally make corn because he loves corn and also green beans. But since I have potato, it should be okay. I have a potato that is balanced. Yeah? See? All my boys eat like this, guys. Magnus and Thor. Even my sons before, my daughter. Their mama always cook for them. That's why my daughter likes to cook. napakaswerte ng mga magiging asawa nila kasi marunong sila magluto dahil marunong ang nanay nagluto. Ngayon guys, here's our potato. Drip, 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 drip. And that's my husband's lunch. O, diba? Ganyan ka dapat mag-alaga sa asawa mo. Give him a good portion of his lunch. Yan. Actually, I'm gonna add some more steak. He might like it more. Yan. Tada! His lunch is ready. The boy's lunch is ready. Let me make some for my other kids. The same thing as the boys, guys. Yung mga anak ko. Kaya kayo, siguraduhin yung alagaan nyo yung anak nyo para alam nila, they know what they expect on a woman. Take care of their family. Okay? That's that. This is for my other boy. My son. Like so. This is for Nito or TJ. See? Ganyan mag-alaga ng pamilya. There you go. I was raised by my grandparents. So I see my grandparents, they eat. And guess what? They share in one plate. That's for my son. Now I don't have any more cutie stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this sauce. Like so. Yan. See? That's how I take care of my boys. Ganyan po ako mag-alaga ng mga anak ko. Hindi po ako yung nanay na bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Ayan. This is for my other son. Ready to go. And then I make another one. This is for my Nito. My Nito works hard and TJ works hard too. So mommy had to take care of him. See? Yan na po yan. Tapos, syempre may steak. Yung tira, akin na. I eat last because you know why? I don't really eat much. Because when you cook, you tend to cook, you tend to taste the food a lot. Ayon, this is Daddy's lunch. Magnus or Thor, whichever they want, they are all the same. See? Ganyan ako mag-alaga ng anak. Take care of your kids. Take care of your husband. Cook for them. Stop this fast food all the time. It's not everything is fast food. Make sure you learn how something the way they want it, the way they prepare the food. Okay? Have a blessed day! Bye-bye! Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy! Yan ang aking food, steak, para sa asawa. There you go. Yan, nag-add ko ng Parmesan cheese o Colby, whatever. It's so ready na. It's delicious. Ayan. Hot. Hot, 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 hot. Oh. Hello guys, this is our steak. This is the one I cook in Lovely Nisa channel. Hopefully guys you enjoy, and also take care of your family and make sure they are all well fed. And here you go. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. I appreciate you guys. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate when you guys watch my video. Okay? Bye. See you guys later. God bless you.